So it's all about, right, building a system, right, AI system, I would say, which is autonomous in nature and it is foolproof, right? So this is the area IBM can help. I think we have been doing on multiple levels. We have offerings around the data platform side, data platform modernization, building up the semantic layer or the context layer, and then automating the AI processes, right? So which is actually the traditional AI ML that general that we are doing, right? And bringing the GenAI and Agentic AI capabilities. So when I'm building the GenAI and Agentic AI capabilities, so for example, right, I think Bhushan talked about the security controls, access and all this kind of stuff, right? If I put a restriction on the access to the data, the agent will not be able to achieve what it has to achieve, right? If I give complete access, then there's a huge risk.
Yes.
How do you balance all these things, right? Again, there are best practices to look at each and every aspect of this conversation between the agents,
Sure.
right?
Yes.
It can get an endless loop. If I don't, when to exit, okay, if I need, one agent needs information from another agent, right? How long it can wait? If the information doesn't come, it can keep on querying the information, right? Then it becomes an endless loop and then cost of the operations will become very high, right? So all these controls you need to bring in place when you're building these capabilities, right? I think this is one area, right? IBM can come end to end, right? We have the platforms, we have the services across data offerings, AI offerings, especially on the AI governance, which is the very important thing, right? In terms of responsibility that we talk about, right? We have separate offerings around that where we are helping multiple clients across the globe in this area to make their AI journey or agentic AI journey successful.